our unique advantages of our approach to wastewater treatment is that we're not just a design-build company for equipment, but we also provide chemistry and services to support our systems. We utilize treatability studies to develop the best approach for treating industrial wastewater. We analyze for compounds like metals, organics, inorganics, and oils using international analytical standards and methods. Issues faced by many customers of wastewater treatment systems is the need to make process changes that impact wastewater. MES helps solve these for our customers by being a complete service provider in addition to being a design, build, and installer. That way, when we send out our service people, they understand the design of the system and can give detailed advice when changes need to be made. We can assess how various types of chemistry changes impact the water treatment system and can estimate which types of products or changes will enable their system to operate successfully. One of the benefits of being a fully integrated provider of wastewater treatment solutions is that not only do we do all the design, build, and install ourselves, we also have full chemical laboratory support for testing, servicing, and development of new products. This means systems can often be adapted to meet new demands or requirements, allowing customers to focus on their core business and have wastewater treatment operations in the care of our experts.